Powered by 1,474cc 45-degree V-twin engine, the 1999 Suzuki VL1500 is built for cruising and highway rides with its strong low torque. It features a 5-speed constant mesh transmission for smooth and precise gear changes. With a classic cruiser design, the VL1500 offers a relaxed riding position, a long wheelbase, and a low seat height for stability and comfort during extended journeys. Thanks so much for watching. I want to talk real quick about our sponsor, us. A great way to support the channel is by going to our eBay store and ordering parts you need. We ship globally and offer free shipping within the US. We also ship quick and have a wide array of used parts, including parts from this bike. Check out the link at the top of the description for links to this bike's parts, or check out the link a little further down in the description to view our full inventory. Now onto the suspension and braking. The front suspension comprises telescopic forks, ensuring responsive handling and a comfortable ride. At the rear, a link-type suspension with adjustable preload allows riders to customize their experience. The braking system includes a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, providing ample stopping power for its class with a dual piston caliper at the front. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.